Hello everyone, welcome to PassionWater. How you doing? It's good to see you. Welcome in. So today is Aquarius weekly reading for the 15th of March through the 21st, alright? We're going to let Alice guide us in Aquarius' reading. So, remember, I don't read for gender. I follow cartoon pictures. So, if I say she, it's just a cartoon. In your world, it can absolutely be a he or him or a they. So you take it as it resonates, alright? It's not gender specific on the cards. Let's see where else would like to take Aquarius and their deep thinking on today. This is just for a rabbit. Somebody who's rushing around. Someone who has too many burners going. Too many things going on at one time. Feeling overwhelmed. The rabbit running around is all I can see. It says service to the animal world. It sounds like it's a time to sit with your favorite pet, dog, cat, rabbit, or a guinea pig, and just cuddle for a while. Take the pressures off of everything you have lit up and going. Let some of those fires burn out on their own. There's something about that that's super important. And it may not be an animal you need to cuddle with. It can be a person that you need to reconnect with. Such as giving your relationship a chance. Work on your partnership. Finding time, energy to spend with a partner. To show them that they matter to you. Yes, once again, it can be your pet that you need and to rekindle. But it's very possible it's a person. Whoever it is, they're going to help you heal now. They're going to help you to heal any childhood areas that were fractured, anything that has hurt you, any dark corner you've been facing. Billy card, upright. That's the hermit. My dog ate that. Bill ate that about 4 years ago. And I've always kept it. Because it's a hermit. we can see here, Aquarius, that you've been through it. I'm going to put the filler card back. You had a tough time of it, but you know, you feel in your heart what you need to attract with that light. Closeness, comfort. The Six of Wands is going to bring you victory. It's going to bring you a new opportunity. It's going to bring new chances to celebrate together, birthdays, holidays, other miscellaneous events. That one's not supposed to be there. Let me shuffle one more time. And the Six of Pentacles. There is going to be a new balance, a new opportunity for equal give and take. This feeling that you had to have all your wands in the fire going at one time is over. You now know that together y'all can do anything. You can conquer that trail at the lake. You can conquer the bills, the price of groceries. Together you can overcome difficulties. I like this for you, Aquarius. Taking care of you. Clarifying the Hermit and the Six of Wands with the Ace of Swords. Wow. Letting go of gossip, letting go of he said, she said crap. Not, literally not feeling it. You're not believing it anymore. It seems that somebody was trying to fill your head full of obstacles, and you're not going to allow it to take root. The Six of Wands with the Six of Pentacles, two sixes here. The Emperor, the King of Pentacles in reverse. It's not all on your back no more. Okay, I'm willing to bet, Aquarius, that you were taught a very old way of doing things. A very old way of demanding the truth from everyone, and that you were to handle all situations. But these situations are handled as a group, as a family, as a unit. You're healing. Didn't I say it somewhere that y'all are going to heal I called it fractures from your childhood. You're realizing what you were taught isn't necessarily the truth of the situation. What you thought was your dad taking care of everything was just as much your mom or whoever the partner was that was taking care of everything. You're finally learning, Aquarius, how to work together with a partner. And it's clarified by this. A massive overall change. Yeah, that says laundry is your responsibility too. It says doing dishes is your responsibility too. It says that cleaning out the car is your wife's responsibility too. That's what this says. This says everyone works together. To get the kids bathed, put to bed, gotten up for school. It is together. That's what you've been learning. That the old way of doing things didn't. The way of doing things was not what you thought. You know, they used to saying that those gowns that you see older women in, those house gowns, that those gowns was what kept Grandpa at home having 12 kids. No, you what kept him there? His love for her, to help her. They was working together as a team. The ones who didn't work together as a team, they're the ones who, unfortunately, relationships didn't last. But you're changing how you're seeing the way of doing things. You understand that it's all your responsibility. And it's all your partner's responsibility. Now you can heal that fracture from your childhood that led you to believe that only the men took care of the money and only the women took care of the children. What you didn't see coming. Six of Wands in reverse, Six of Cups in reverse, Four of Swords in reverse, the Ten of Pentacles. Before you're awakening, before you started healing the fracture of your childhood, your marriage was not very strong. Your relationship was not very strong. And there was starting to be distance between the Six Cups, the two of you, because there was no healing regarding the Ten of Cups situation. I'm sorry, Ten of Pentacles situation, where the two of you are meant to have everything together. Next up, Empress, King of Wands, the Sun, cross-eyed, the King of Swords. Wow. Alright, so the King of Wands and the King of Swords together. For my male Aquarius, I believe that you, as the Emperor, putting your foot down, that it's now time to work together to heal the fracture, to heal the distance between the two of you, to be the couple in love, working together, that you're always intended with the Empress. And you may be the Empress, and this may be your Emperor over here. But that means sunny days are coming. This healing. And that's what this is. This is a big, big healing. Very orbital. Beautiful. I love it for you. It's really wonderful. So, I do hope you have a wonderful week, Aquarius. Namaste.